Oh yeah, maybe you're dreaming of a outdoor patio kitchen like that. While vacations were on hold over the past year due to the pandemic, spending on home renos spiked big time, and that trend is continuing into this summer. Certified financial planner and financial educator Martha Adams is back on Morning Live with some tips on how to keep the spending on our home renos under control. Good morning.
Good morning, Bob. It's so nice to see you. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. When we first met you, we met you as the best-selling author of Cleopatra's Riches and How to Earn, Grow, and Enjoy Your Money and Enrich Your Life. Can we actually apply that to home renos?
Absolutely. So we can actually focus on enjoying our home reno instead of spending on it. And there's a really big difference between those two words. So we're often focused on spending money, but enjoying, the difference is in the feeling, so that you can start your reno project feeling great about it and still feel great about it when the bill arrives at the end of the project.
Okay, so how do we get there?
So there's a couple things we can do. So the first thing is ask ourselves a couple of questions. One is, right away, what is the purpose of this project? And am I, in fact, going to enjoy it? Once you've answered those and you've got a good hold on that, you can then contact your certified financial planner and look to the way that you're going to fund the project. So whether that is from cash, from investments perhaps, or if you're looking to lending. And if you're looking to lending, a lot of us have equity in our homes now, especially with what's been going on with the housing prices. We should also look to consider interest rates in the process. So interest rates right now are very favorable. However, it's important to consider rising interest rates and the payment increase that will happen with that. So making sure that when interest rates do rise, that you're considering what the increased payment might be and making sure that it's still comfortable for you.
Yeah, are there specific products that are favorable as opposed to just a line of credit? Like you mentioned, the home equity loans are actually created.
Yeah, so if you can look to a home equity line of credit. You can look to perhaps remortgaging your home if that is something that would provide you with a more favorable product. But it's really important to consider the fees in doing that. So one of the most flexible options can be a home equity line of credit with the room that is available.
Yeah. And a big thing too is prioritizing what reno you should do and getting the most bang for the buck. And is there a percentage or any kind of rule of thumb that you factor in? We've got about 30 seconds left.
So talking to your realtor about that, because depending on the project, there's a really big difference between something like a kitchen reno or something like landscaping in the percentage that you're going to see. So talking to your trusted realtor is a really good resource.
Okay, well, we love talking to you too for financial advice, and we'll link up your website at chsage.com. Martha Adams, good to see you.
Thank you.